News 8 Storm Team forecast today will start out with some snow, some mix and rain in spots, especially southern Lancaster County. And we could see a quick coating to up to 3 inches of snow on the hilltops before we change over to rain. So there will be some snow around the area this morning with temperatures near freezing. For the afternoon, temperatures climb to 40. Widespread rain is likely, heavy at times. This evening, temperatures continue to climb. We'll be around 44 degrees by 8 p.m. Rain continues and it will be turning breezy with winds out of the east and southeast. That southerly component of the wind brings temperatures up into the 40s. Some spots could hit 50 overnight tonight, but that's going to be short-lived. Scattered showers overnight, a little patchy fog, and then tomorrow, here comes the Arctic front. So we have an alert day for you tomorrow. As soon as that front passes in the morning, it'll bring in some rain and then a quick burst of snow behind it. Strong winds, we're talking about gusts to 50 miles per hour, and temperatures plummeting from the 40s in the morning down into the 20s easily by lunchtime. Here's your currents. It's 30 degrees in Harrisburg, 30 in Lancaster, 30 in York. We have 32 in Carlisle. Predictor sustained wind speeds today showing that they'll be picking up, but not until late in the day. Winds about 10 to 20 well after dark. Overnight tonight, it's breezy, and tomorrow, here comes the strong Arctic front. 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds, gusts to 50 possible. So make sure your outdoor decorations are secure, your trash cans are secure there. Tomorrow is going to be the windiest day of the bunch. Right now, we're starting to see some snow inch into our southernmost counties. This is ahead of the Arctic front, which is back toward Denver, up toward Minneapolis this morning. So all of this precipitation coming into some cold air. That's why we're going to start with snow or a mix, but it does change over into rain. This is lunchtime. Most areas seeing rain, if not by lunchtime, by early afternoon. And that rain could be heavy at times. All right, we got a little break overnight, but here's the Arctic front tomorrow morning, blowing through right during the morning rush, bringing initially some rain. Then a quick pop of snow could get a coating to 1 inch or 2 of snow, and that will freeze as temperatures plummet later in the day, easily down into the single digits Friday night with wind chills below 0. And as we hit Saturday, wind chills stay near 0. Here's how much rain to expect today. I'd say about a ½ inch west to about 1.5 inches east. Then the snow, we get about a coating to maybe up to 3 inches on the hilltops west. Just a dusting east and a dusting east again tomorrow with that Arctic front blowing on through. Wind chill forecast incredible. We have single-digit chills Friday evening, below 0 Friday night, near 0 on Christmas Eve, and only the teens for wind chills on Christmas Day. Next week, better news. Temperatures do moderate back into the 40s above average, and we should have a pretty mild New Year's Eve.